Look, they're carrying him. Outstanding, amazing. Buongiorno guys, it's Ginestra, another episode from Istanbul. I'm so excited because today we're going for a huge street food tour of the city and I can't wait to share this with you. Check my previous videos if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and now it's time to eat. Andiamo! The chef invited us into the kitchen. Look, wow, this is lamb kebab.
Lamb.
Wow. Oh, with the veggies.
This
Tomato and peppers?
Yes. This tomato, this pepper.
And the fat.
Kuzu, çok güzel.
Smells so good. Wow. So he does this every morning. Look at the meat here.
This lamb
And beef.
beef.
Oh, all together.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, and you mix.
Mix. Yes.
Okay. So it's kneading it.
Yes, onion, salt.
Keeps on kneading it.
Eyvallah. Teşekkür
Merhaba. Beautiful chef. That's incredible, chef. Looks so good. Look how colorful it looks. The meat, the fat, the tomatoes, the peppers. It's gonna taste so good. Oh, he's slicing in it. Wow. To be ready to put in front of the grill, in front of the fire. Wow. Looks great, chef. Holy! Wow. So stack everything on top. Wow. Doesn't waste absolutely anything. All the meat, all the fat, all the veggies. Absolutely incredible. Wow. This is gonna be the best doner kebab ever. Oh, another layer of beef. He's the master of doner kebab. Usta.
Usta.
So satisfying watching him. It's incredible. Look at the colors. So beautiful. Wow, this was the last layer, I think. Oh, the fat. Wow, right from the fridge.
Kürdan ver. Güzel seçtin. Burada aynısı var. Finish.
Beautiful, chef. Look, they're carrying him. Whoa. Wow. Oh, look. Juicy. Looks so beautiful.
Domat, pepper, Barış Manço, tomato, biber, patlıcan.
Patlıcan. Oh, looks delicious. Look how crispy. Mamma mia. Look how smoky. What's better than that for breakfast? So juicy. I'm literally mouth-watering. Look at the chicken. Wow. Yeah, even the chicken looks juicy. It's been marinated with paprika. Look how crispy the meat is. Look at all the juice there. Oh, teşekkürler chef. Buon appetito. Mamma mia, chef. Çok lezzetli.
Çok güzel.
You can smell all the spices, the paprika. And it's so juicy, it melts in your mouth. Wow, this is for us. Oh, on the fire. So it gets crispy a bit. Oh.
Bir kağıt verir misin oradan?
Be smoky, packed with flavor. Mamma mia. Looks so crispy and juicy. Amazing, chef. Teşekkürler. Oh, look at this beauty. Mamma mia, just can't wait. Buon appetito. Oh, A bit spicy. Oh, the meat, guys, so juicy, tender, a bit crispy, and all the spices in it. And the onion, and the veggies, the tomatoes, the peppers. Wow, this is very unique.
Paket olacak yalnız. Soğan koymazsanız çok sevinirim.
Buonissimo. Chocolate to the chef. Special. The chicken looks so crispy and full of paprika. And now I need to give it a try. You can get the paprika right away, packed with flavor, crispy on the edge. Wow. And the lavash, the bread. So we put it on the fire for a little bit so it gets crispy and a bit charcoaly. Wow, fantastic. The chef brought us a bit of the meat of the doner kebab. Look how juicy, all the veggies. Wow, look how crispy the meat is here. So delicious. Absolutely fantastic. That's really one of the best doner kebab I ever tried in my life, to be honest. See you next time. Thank you. Beer mix. We need the freshly squeezed juice. We order a mix, so probably we might have some orange. Yeah, pomegranate. They're famous for the pomegranate juice here. So good, lezzetli.
Antalya güzel. Antalya'da.
From Antalya? Wow, they're a bit sweet and a bit sour at the same time. So refreshing. Wow. We are at the market, local bazaar. They sell utensils for the house, carpets, everything. Look at the shisha. Oh, to make the tea. Wow, beautiful. So here everything is homemade. We're getting into the spice bazaar. Rabba. Wow. Look how beautiful it looks. Rabba, beer Turkish coffee. We ordered Turkish coffee. We can witness the preparation of it. Bit of water. Oh, the charcoal. Slowly is coming up. Oh, beautiful. Ah, that was great. Stay tuned for more because now we're going for a very unique snack. We're here at the shop. Look at the mountain of kofte. They used to use raw meat to make it, but now the easiest version and the best version, most popular one, is just vegetarian one. So with bulgur, tomato paste, hot chili paste, and tons of spices, pomegranate molasses. Wow, such a unique snack. Rabba, one portion.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy, picante, no picante?
Picante.
Picante,
Oh,
okay.
speaks
Oh,
Italian.
picante, okay.
Cook fast.
Oh, pasta. Pasta villa. Aha.
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkür. Al.
Saha.
Ver adama ver.
Let's set it up. Let's put some kofte, lemon. Buon appetito. That's a bit spicy, yeah? It's a bit spicy, refreshing because of the lettuce and the lemon. That's a very unique texture. Eh? Actually, it's not raw, but how it gets cooked is by the pressure of kneading. So the more you knead it, the more you cook it. No, that's definitely not something that I would have every day, but I'm happy that I tried it. The food was amazing, but the hospitality, unbelievable. The chef, Ali Usta, is a character. You gotta come here and try the that dish. Oh my god, it's very unique. Andiamo. Hello. Teşekkürler. Hey! Look at this gorgeous, juicy looking meat. Look how crispy. Chak kebab, marinated lamb from Erzurum. Let's give it a try. I want to try the meat first. Oh, they put it in this small skewer. Whoa! Whoa! Buon appetito! Oh, mamma mia! Chocolate, eh? Mamma mia! Buonissimo! That's absolutely outstanding, amazing. Now I want to try with the lavash, with the bread. Let's try to make a kind of kebab. Oh, look how cool this skewer is. A bit of a spicy salad and a bit of the other salad with the tomato and cucumber. They give a bit of a freshness to it. Oh, mamma mia, it's gonna be incredible. Let's wrap it up. Oh. Buon appetito. Mamma mia, I don't know how to describe. Look at the meat. Look how fatty, oily, juicy, and succulent it is. The meat is incredible, guys. Wow, fantastic. Never tried anything like it. If you're ever in Istanbul, you gotta come here and try the chak kebab. Absolutely outstanding. Hello, merhaba. Can I have one, please? Oh, this is the halva. Thank you very much.
Would you like sauce?
What is this?
Tahin, season.
Yeah, please. Oh, great. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Look at the thick layer. This is halva made from tahini, as well as tahini sauce on top. Oh, so creamy, so thick. And got that nutty flavor from the tahini, the sesame. And it's not too sweet. Oh, that's great. Oh, the pistachio flavor. Ooh. So beautiful. Buonissimo. That's very unique. You guys gotta come here and try it out. So beautiful. Oh my God. I got no words. Merhaba. Oh. Baliq ekmek.
Baliq ekmek.
Okay. Bir baliq ekmek.
Bir tane.
Yeah. Wow. Smells so good. Oh, it's taking the bone off.
Tamam.
Oh, salad, onion, lemon juice.
Al Metin avra.
Teşekkürler. İki. Looks so cool. Wow. Teşekkürler. This now is a bit chilly. Finishing it with the tea is the best. Teşekkürler. We have in Baliq ekmek. I can't wait to try it. It's my first time. Oh, that's good. The fish is great. The bread as well. I love the onion and the lettuce inside. Give a bit of a freshness. I would say a bit dry, but the lemon juice helps. Chef, çok lezzetli. You know, there are a lot of touristy spots out there in Eminonu. This is great. So guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and see you on the next video. Ciao!